Hi everyone, in this video I am gonna share with you a recipe to make your own DIY anti-aging cream at home. And the hero ingredient of my anti-aging cream would be ferulic acid. And I am gonna use ferulic acid from Charco Chemicals. It's one of the best quality ferulic acid available in the market. I will link it down in the description box. So without any further ado, let's get started with our video.
Let me tell you some of the benefits of including ferulic acid into your skincare routine. It reduces the formation of fine lines and wrinkles. It acts as a shield to protect your skin from damage from harmful ultraviolet radiations and pollution. It also reduces the formation of brown spots, dark spots, or any sort of uneven skin tone. This overall, it's an amazing anti-aging ingredient. That's why I am adding it in my anti-aging cream. Ferulic acid is available in powdered form and it cannot be dissolved in normal water or distilled water. So here I am gonna use propylene glycol. It's a solvent which is used to dissolve such kind of ingredients. You can purchase it from Amazon. It's also from Charco Chemicals, and I have mentioned its link in the description box. You can get it from there. So now let me tell you how to prepare this anti-aging cream. Firstly, add 2 teaspoons of propylene glycol in a clean bowl. Then further add a pinch of ferulic acid into it. Mix it for a few seconds. As you can see, the ferulic acid crystals are still floating in propylene glycol. It means it's not completely dissolved. That's why we need to keep it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Within 15 to 20 minutes, the ferulic acid powder will completely get dissolved in propylene glycol. Let's move forward to our next step. Take another bowl and add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel into it. We are taking here aloe vera gel as the base of our cream. Next I am adding 1 teaspoon of papaya leaf water. Here you can add any sort of hydrosol whichever you like. Like you can also add rose water or distilled water or any hydrosol of your choice. After that, add that propylene glycol and ferulic acid mixture into it. After that, add oils into it. Here I have chosen vitamin E oil, grapeseed oil and rosehip oil because they are having amazing anti-aging benefits. You can use any oils of your choice. Here I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of each oil into it. After adding all the oils, mix all the ingredients well. After 1 minute, you will observe the consistency of the cream will get thicker and uniform. And ultimately your anti-aging cream get ready.
So this is the anti-aging cream I have just prepared. Let me show you how it looks. It smells so amazing due to rosehip seed oil, grape seed oil and vitamin E oil. You can see. Let me show you how it feels after application. As you can see, this cream feels so lightweight and got quickly absorbed into the skin. And I would recommend you, if you are using this cream in the daytime, then I would recommend you to please do wear sunscreen on the top of this cream. Otherwise, if you do not have sunscreen, then apply it at night only. Let me tell you from where you will get these ingredients, ferulic acid and propylene glycol. You will get them from Amazon. I have mentioned the link to purchase them in the description box. You can check it out. And yes guys, I am gonna add one more thing here. If you want ready-made cream, this anti-aging cream from me, then you can just DM me at @Gaia Treasures on Instagram. I have mentioned its link in the description box too. So if you want it from me, then I can send you. So that's it for today's video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.